Do you want me to try? Because I have a fork and platter here. So here it is. Look at that. Mama. Matcha wrap. But it's banana and choco chips inside. It tastes like Nutella. Wrestle, it tastes like Nutella wrestle. What else? The salted egg inside. What is that? Oreo. Cheers. Water is life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I haven't been uploading on this YouTube channel for quite a while now, it's because I've been busy with another project. It's a business venture that I started, I think, less than 2 months ago, just a few weeks past 1 month. And I'm gonna introduce it to you now, my newest baby. Where is it? Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. So this is the 12 flavor cheesecake sampler from the thecuriousmrs Cheesecake Company. So if you're based in Doha, Qatar, or even if you're not, so just please like or follow us on Facebook. We're on Facebook. It's the thecuriousmrs Cheesecake Company. There it is. And on Instagram we are the thecuriousmrs Cheesecakeco. So I'm gonna show you our 12 flavor cheesecake sampler up close now, and I'm gonna show you all the flavors in a bit. But first, as usual, please like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell button so you get notified whenever I have new videos. And we're back. Here it is again. So it's 8 inches. It's an 8-inch cake, and it's pretty small, but it's a cheesecake sampler, so what do you expect, right? It's not supposed to be very tall because then you wouldn't be able to taste all the flavors. So I'm gonna show you one by one. Let me just move this first to the side because it's moving now. Ta-da! Here it is again. So nice, right? Ta-da! So the camera just died. Again. Oh no, they're separating now. Okay, I'm gonna introduce you to the 12 flavors again. Here it is. There they are, the 12 flavors. Let's start from the top. This is... Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that when I say 12 flavors, it's actually really 12 flavors of cheesecake. So you'll see here, matcha is different colors for almost all the flavors. That means it doesn't just mean one plain cheesecake and then 12 different toppings, but it's actually 12 flavors of cheesecake baked 12 times and then sliced and reassembled into 12 cakes of different flavors. So here's the final product. Let's start from this one. There are actually 2 flavors that are plain cheesecakes here. This is the strawberry cheesecake and the blueberry cheesecake. They are plain cheesecakes topped with blueberry toppings and homemade strawberry sauce. So these are 2. And this one, so you'll see here, these are just plain cheesecakes. And this one is banana choco chip. It's a banana cheesecake with chocolate chips inside. You'll see there are chocolate chips are inside and topped with chocolate sauce and chocolate chips. This one is Nutella cheesecake with Nutella ganache on top. This one is Oreo cheesecake, and this one is turtle or caramel. It's based on the turtle pie. So it's a caramel cheesecake with walnuts on top and drizzled with caramel sauce. And this one, color white, I don't know if you're able to see that. This is my phone now. So this is Alcapone, which is based on this one is Alcapone, which is based on the popular Jayco donut, which is of almond, which has almond slices on top. So it's a white chocolate cheesecake with almond slices on top. And this purple one is a Filipino favorite. It's ube macapuno. So it's colored purple. You'll see here the cheesecake has ube and macapuno inside, and as topping it has an ube spread with macapuno shavings and some mongo or red beans there, just to provide a nice contrast for the toppings, but it actually does not have mongo inside. Well, at first we put mongo we put mongo inside, but I had a few feedback which said they didn't want mongo inside, so I just removed it. And this one is matcha with white chocolate here and some slices, bits and pieces of Kit Kat matcha on top. And this yellow one is, of course, mango, one of my favorites. And it has mango bits inside, mashed mango inside with mango puree on top. And this one is s'mores flavor. So it has marshmallows on the cheesecake, within the cheesecake, and with with chocolate on top, and some marshmallows with some chocolate sauce and drizzled with grahams. And this one is again another Filipino favorite. This is bibingka. Bibingka is rice cake in English, but of course this one does not have rice in it. So it's just what is it? It's a plain cheesecake. No, it's not a plain cheesecake. It's a cheesecake with salted egg inside, and as toppings it has some little bit of butter, white sugar, and Filipino cheddar cheese on top. So yeah, we finished all of them. So if you ask me what are my favorite flavors here, I would say my favorite is the strawberry one, because I like the plain cheesecake with the balance of sweet and sour or strawberry or lemony flavor as a topping. And then my second one would be bibingka, I guess. Strawberry bibingka. So I'm gonna say my top 4 or top 5. So my favorite is definitely strawberry and bibingka and mango, blueberry. So I'm more of a fruit person. Strawberry, blueberry, mango, bibingka, and maybe banana choco chip. I don't really like chocolate that much, so banana choco chip. I love that. Do you want me to try? Because I have a fork and platter here, so maybe I will show you what's a nice color. Let's try ube, because everyone loves ube. To be honest, at first I don't understand why everyone loves ube so much. Everywhere actually nowadays. It's in bread, ube pandesal, it's in cheesecake, it's in everywhere you can color purple. It's everywhere. So, but I think around the 4th or 5th time that I've done this, that's when I appreciated ube. I got to appreciate ube. So here it is. There's a bit of macapuno in there and ube. It's good. Then, okay, we're back. So I just realized the video cut again. So where did I stop? I think I stopped at ube. So I'm gonna try to do what I did just a few moments ago. I think I tried banana next. Banana is also good. This is one of the favorites of our customers also. So this one's banana. I don't know if you can see that, but it's banana and choco chips inside. And I think earlier I said I liked strawberry the most. This was my favorite flavor. Strawberry. But I just realized a while ago that maybe mango is my favorite. So I'm gonna try it again now. Mm. So I changed my mind. I think my favorite now is again mango. So my favorite now is mango because it is mango bits, mango, what do you call that? Mashed mango inside. Then my second one will be strawberry because I love the plain cheesecake with the strawberry sauce, homemade strawberry sauce on top. So my favorite is mango, strawberry, and then maybe the third is bibingka. Maybe it's bibingka. This is a very unique flavor. Very Filipino also. The salted egg inside. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And then banana choco chip maybe. So it's mango, strawberry, bibingka, and then banana choco chip. Obviously, I'm not a chocolate person, but if you are, then you'd love these flavors. This is s'mores. S'mores is not really chocolatey. I don't know. Maybe you'd love the Nutella version. Sorry, the Nutella flavor. This is a favorite of Ressel. Please follow her on YouTube and Facebook also. She is just Roselia, or I think she changed her name now to Mustard Diaries. So this is her favorite, Nutella, which she says doesn't really taste like Nutella, but it tastes like her favorite cheesecake from the Cheesecake Company. No, the Cheesecake Factory. Oh my gosh. The Godiva cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. So there's Nutella inside and the toppings is also Nutella. Oops. It tastes like Nutella. Ressel, it tastes like Nutella, Ressel. And what else? Alcapone. If you like the Alcapone flavor from Jayco, so this is white chocolate cheesecake with almond slices on top. What else? Oreo. Everyone loves Oreo, right? This is Oreo cheesecake. So a while ago I said, I'm not sure if it was caught on camera because the video cut again, but a while ago I said I was supposed to do a mukbang or Q&A for this video, but I'm pretty sure that no one's gonna send in their questions. So no, I'm just gonna eat it. What is that? Oreo. Used to be my sister's favorite, but I think she likes Bibingka more now. And matcha. A lot of people didn't like our matcha the first few rounds. I think I used the wrong matcha powder then. But now, I think you're gonna love them. So whoever did not like matcha before, I think you're gonna like it now because I've changed the powder that I used. Look at that. Mama. Matcha wrap. So yeah, that's it. I'm full now. Please don't forget to like us on Facebook and Instagram, The Curious Mrs. Cheesecake Company or The Curious Mrs. Cheesecakeco. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video as well. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to press that bell button so you get notified whenever I have new videos. And see you again on my next video. Bye! Ta-da! Cheers! Water is life. Bye-bye.